Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my delicious chocolate mousse cake. In this video I already have a cake ready. You could really use any cake recipe you'd like. You want one that's kind of dense, that can absorb a lot of milk.
I don't want to be a bird, 'cause us rocks were never meant to fly.
And as you see here, I cut them up into little pieces and put them in my pan.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah.
And in a separate pot, I'm boiling some water. This specifically is called ghahwa that I'm boiling. You could use coffee or tea. This specifically is just some blended grains that you could find at any store.
Alhamdulillah, I'm a Muslim.
Now for the topping, I'm adding 1 softened cream cheese and 1 cup of sugar, and I'm just mixing them together. I'm slowly adding in some heavy milk.
I bow my bows and worship whenever I feel the wind blow.
Once it gets this consistency, I'm adding in some vanilla extract.
When Allah says grow, and be a home for the birds and shade.
I then just put it in a piping bag. Here I'm dipping the cake in the ghahwa and just placing them flat onto the pan. I then put the mixture on top and I continue this process.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, I'm a Muslim. And there's nothing else I'd rather be.
And then I top it off with some cocoa powder and some condensed milk.
I can travel through the world, over land and over sea. But will I choose the path of truth or a path to misguide me?
I then just drizzle it all on top and let it sit for a few minutes in the fridge, and then it should be ready to serve.
But Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, I'm a person, and Allah has given me a choice that's free. So Alhamdulillah, I choose to be a Muslim, and there's nothing else I'd rather be. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, I'm a person, and Allah has given me a choice that's free.